Hey, today I'll show you how to make animations in Camtasia Studio. So I have these files and I will add them on my timeline. I have a background and I also want to increase the duration so the frames will move more quickly, something like that. And what I want to do, I have this potion and I want to animate that coming this way, maybe increasing the size while coming up. And after that I have this other potion which I want to come from behind and go like that, and this one like that. But first let's make them the same size. I think this will do it. What else I want to do? I want to add some drop shadows, so I will select both potions, right click on the object, then add visual effects and drop shadow. Now let's center this shadow, opacity all the way to the maximum, and the blur maybe to 1 or maybe 2. Okay, and that's perfect. For now we can forget about this potion. Let's center this green potion and go to the animations menu from the right and the animations. Now you have here a lot of pre-made animations, but I will use a custom one and I will show you how to make one from scratch. I will just drag and drop the animation on my timeline, and what will happen if you put your cursor after the animation, this will be the position after the animation, okay? And if you put your cursor before the animation, this will be the position before the animation, okay? And the arrow is the whole animation. You can increase the size, the length of the animation. Let's hit play and see how it looks. Okay, and this is the most absolute basics in animations. So I want this position to be after the animation, and before the animation let's decrease the size, okay, center it and put it down here. And let's drag the arrow to the left, and the length maybe, I think, let's go to 15. Now it's much better. And from this point I want this potion to come in on the screen, so I think this will be the position. Let's go again to animations, add a custom one here on the red one, and let's zoom in on the timeline. Let's put the green potion above the red one, come to this position. Let's drag this animation and let's make it smaller. I will put it right here. The length, let's make it also like 15. And let's have a look now on the whole animation. Okay, we have to do a cut right here, so this potion doesn't exist before the green one comes in the position. Okay, and let's also animate the green one to go to the left. Okay, I think I will put it right here. And let's connect these animations, and let's also make this one 15. Let's hit play. I think I can correct this to go to the center of the video. Let's have a look. It's pretty decent now. I'm gonna lie to you. What else I can do to make it look more nice? I can go to behaviors, make sure both potions are selected, go to shifting, and drag and drop this effect on the image. I'll go to during, and the loop time, let's go to 1.2 and 1.2 at the shift. The shift is the distance up and down, and the loop time is the speed. Now at in, I will go to ease out circ, increase the speed, and at out ease out circ and increase the speed. Let's have a look now on the animation. I think I will increase from 1.2 to 1.5 and 1.5 again. Let's have a look now. And if you notice, I will zoom in so you can see this is not static. It moves up and down just a tiny bit, so it doesn't look static, and it's more nice. What else can you do to give some life to these animations? You can add some sound effects. As an example, I have this sound effect. I also want to extend the duration, something like that. And let's also lower the audio maybe to 48. Let's copy it with Ctrl and C and add another one here when it's starting to move, Ctrl and V to paste, and it's right here. Let's have a look on the whole animation again. Alright, it looks fantastic. So this is how to make animations in Camtasia Studio. This is the most absolute basics in animations. You also have some pre-made ones. What you have to do, just drag and drop the one which you want. And as I told you, if you put your cursor after the arrow, this is the position after the animation, and if you put your cursor before the arrow, this is the position before the animation, okay? So I hope this tutorial helped you out understand how to make animations in Camtasia Studio. I hope you have a great day from wherever you're watching right now.